Taxonomical aids. Earth is filled with variety of organisms and their biodiversity. It is hence very important to know these diversity through taxonomic studies because it is not very easy to classify and understand characteristics of each and every organism. Hence, we have our taxonomic studies. This can be used for fields like agriculture, forestry, and other industries, etc. But to understand the taxonomic studies, we need proper collection and identification of organisms, and this can be done by taxonomic aids. There are several taxonomic aids, and they are Herbarium, Botanical Gardens, Museum, Zoological Parks, and Keys. A herbarium is a storehouse of dried and preserved plant specimens. Botanical Gardens is a collection of living plants and trees. Museum is nothing but the collection of preserved plants and animal species. Zoological parks are commonly known as zoo, which is a protected environment for animals under human care. Keys are tools to identify and distinguish one type of organism from another. Herbarium, in detail, it is a group of stacked, dried, and preserved plants and tree species to identify in the universally accepted system of classification. They are stored in a storehouse and we can use them for easy reference. Botanical gardens includes all the living plants. So they are specialized gardens and have collections of living plants for reference. Museum includes biological specimens and like insects are preserved or the animals are preserved and stuffed, and also some of the museums shows collections of skeletons of animals. Zoological parks, or commonly known as zoo, is a place where all the animals are preserved or protected in the environment which is being protected under human care, which helps us to learn about their food habits and behavior. Now, key, taxonomic key. It is based on the similarities and dissimilarities of characters. For example, we have a vertebrate. Now, through the characteristics or questions asked regarding the vertebrate, we can classify or identify which organism was the vertebrate. It is based upon pair of alternate character called couplet, and each statement in the couplet is called as the lead. I'll move to an example for an easy understanding. The vertebrate, first question, does it have fur? Now, this question has got two parts, hence it is called as a couplet. Does it have fur includes yes, it has fur, or no, it does not have fur. If it is yes, it can be a mammal. If it is no, then move on to the next question. Does it have feathers? If it is yes, then it is a bird. If it is no, move on to the next question. Does it have dry skin? Yes, then it's a reptile. If it is no, then move on to the next question. Does it have scales? Yes, it might be a fish. No, then mostly it's an amphibia. So this is how we identify organism according to taxonomic keys. These are pair of questions called couplet, and each statement in the couplet is called as a lead. That's all. Thank you.